Some residents in Tehachapi have been contacted by a law group based out of L.A., telling them they can help them fight for the maximum money back from their insurance company if their homes were damaged in the recent Canyon fire. One of our viewers called us, letting us know she is concerned for her neighbors that this may be a scam. So we sent Connie Tran out to investigate. Connie?
We went out to talk to this viewer's neighbor who says his home was not damaged at all by the Canyon fire, yet he received this letter from Prime Law Group anyway. He says he doesn't understand why a law group needs to get involved between a homeowner and their insurance company. I went out for answers. The Canyon fire scorched dozens of homes in Tehachapi last month, some damages more severe than others. Now, some residents in the area, like David Lawrence and Sally Perriman, are receiving a letter from Prime Law Group saying they can help locals get the most out of their insurance policy from Canyon fire damage, even if that means taking their insurance provider to court for a settlement.
My first thought was, somebody's after some money. Number one. Number two, I wasn't in the fire.
We went out to investigate. We found that Prime Law Group is based out of La Crescenta near Los Angeles. They say in their letter they have helped hundreds of homeowners recover thousands of dollars in restoration settlements from insurance carriers.
If it was an attorney sending something to my home, just, I'm an attorney and this is what I do, fine, it's advertising. But I feel that's almost coercion by putting the blow-ups of all the, the soot and the microscopic things. It's almost a scare tactic, and I just don't like it.
We contacted Prime Law Group.
We're not predatory. We're more informative than anything else. As you well know, you called us. We just provide information.
And they say the information in the letter can be helpful.
If they didn't get the letter from us, they would have never been, they would have never known that they are even entitled to this type of a settlement.
We went to talk to a local insurance consultant who suggests policyholders communicate with their insurance agents and adjuster directly.
When you're talking with your adjuster, you can actually understand what they need from you, what your insurance contract requires, and whether or not it covers the situation that you have question about.
But
the use of an attorney's office is an option for any insured customer. The first option, I wouldn't lean that way. But again, if you have had difficulties with your insurance company or the claims adjuster in interpreting what's in the contract, why not take a look and see?
Lawrence says he doesn't appreciate the solicitation and he wants it to stop.
I would have a lawyer that I could call. I wouldn't necessarily call the lawyer that sends a letter to me and say, you can get some money doing this.
Prime Law Group says any residents that do not want to receive their letters can contact them directly and they will take them off of their mailing list. The Kern County Emergency Services Department also tells me that they suggest if people cannot reach a policy agreement with their insurance companies, they should contact the California Department of Insurance at 1-800-297-HELP. Live in the studio, I'm Connie Tran for Eyewitness News.
Thanks, Connie. Remember, if you have a story like this one you want us to investigate, you can call the Eyewitness News tip line, 869-2929. That number once again is 869-2929.